Hello all, this is Vasili from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about the data visualization, how it will be really visualized in a meaningful data. So first one is visual analysis. So which means, so whenever we are collecting unstructured data, so that unstructured data will be converted into a meaningful or pictorial representation output. It's maybe like if you're creating any web page, means it should be present in a very attractive manner for the user. So likewise, whenever we are receiving the data in the unstructured form of data, so it will be converted into the meaningful data. So that is called as an data visualization. So when we are providing a better solution or meaningful output for the unstructured data, so that is called as an visual analysis. So which means that pictorial representation, that visual data will be analyzed. So that is considered as an visual analytics. Okay, so for that we are using more number of open source softwares like Tableau or Power BI or Google Worksheets. So likewise we are using the data, it should be present in a very effective manner or colorful manner for the customer. So this is the introduction to data visualization. So it is one part of designing the data. So whenever we are retrieving just a raw data, so that data is designed into some other transformation. So that is considering as a visualization designing. So what are the options we are using means, so it is a tool, it is providing designers within an easier way to create a visual representations of large data sets. So whenever we are collecting a very huge amount of unstructured data or CSV file or any SQL table, that entire data may be consisting of like entity attributes, entity sets. So these all are related one relationship or cardinality, like one to one or one to many or many to many or many to one. So likewise the data will be related with the other data. So then only we can project whatever the data are related to the main data. Okay, so here what is the outcome means, we can effectively visualize the entire progress and sustainability of the designing decisions. So what kind of softwares we are taking, the next what kind of charts will be displayed over to that Cartesian part. So likewise we are just taking as an designing decisions. So this is the representation of data visualization. So here it is consisting majorly three parts. So first one is a data, second one is a function, and third one is a design. So whenever we made to visualize any data means, first we have to collect a data. So which means nowadays we can directly get from Google or else any Google or any other search engines, we can directly surfing that, then we can retrieve the data. But unfortunately, if you are doing a real-time project means, first we have to get the data in a fieldwork manner. So in simply we are getting or downloading a file from any search engines. So that is a one method. So that is called as a sample data set or flat file. So what are all the data already existing, that entire data will be collected and forming into a new table, like a Excel sheet or else any Google sheet or else in the part of SQL table. So that is maybe considering as an already existing table. Okay, so the data are collected from some other source and it will be formulated and consisting a new table. So that file will be updated in that search engine. For the initial user, we can get the data from the data source, which means the search engines. Based on the Excel sheet, we can creating an efficient meaningful data. So that is a one kind of data retrieval. Then another point means, so whenever we are moving on to the research area, so we should collect a data from the field work. For example, if you are taking as an library management system, so at real time what are all the books are available, what are all the department books are available, what are the magazines are available, Then who are all taking the books and who are all returning, so that time period. So these all are maintained by one a cloud center or else any local server. So based on that data we can get the data, then we can analyze it in the realistic manner. So which means two type of data retrieval is there. So one is already existing data we can directly get from the websites like a Google. So that is a one kind of data retrieval. Then second one is we have to collect from each and every part of the end user. Based on the data we can consolidate one Excel sheet. So based on that Excel sheet we can analyze, that means, so that is a real time research data. Okay, so this is the first step. Second one is a function. So in this function we are processing and what are all the types of process we are making. Thank you.